Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror on Fire Stick. First, make sure the Amazon Fire Stick is connected to your TV and turn on. Also, make sure your phone and Fire Sticks are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This step is very important. Make sure your Fire Stick remote and press and hold the home button for a few seconds. A menu will appear on the TV screen. From the menu, select morning or mirroring. Your Fire Stick is now ready to receive your screen. Now take your mobile phone. Using your Android phone, open setting, look for the screencast, smart view or screen mirroring. Tap on it, you will see a list of available devices. Select your Amazon Fire Stick from the list. If you are using an iPhone, download screen mirroring app from the App Store such as AirScreen or Simpler Air app. Because Fire Stick does not support iPhone mirroring directly, open the app and follow the instruction to connect your Fire Stick. Once it's connected, your iPhone may appear on the TV. Anything you do on your phone will now show on the big screen. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.